Welcome back. We are now working on the hood. As you can see here, looks like somebody had drilled their own hole. There's a piece of drill bit stuck in this hole, and it's not lining up properly. So unfortunately, this is a problem, but we're going to go ahead and get the torch, get that piece out, we'll retap a new hole, and we'll get started. Alright, we have sanded both top and bottom of this hood. Just a bit. I'm going to wrap the top actually with black vinyl. Should be coming in the next couple of days. And the back side I'll be putting on the POR 15. It won't be exposed to elements or anything like that, so I think it might be okay to shine up the back and keep it all black, as now that I've taken this hood off of this car, it can't have a red hood anymore. It just looks ridiculous. So we're going to go ahead and clean this up, maybe give it a little bit of a bath, and then flip it over, dry it out, and we'll put a first layer of POR 15 if time allows. Let's go. Nice and washed and degreased. Now just let it dry, and we'll throw that coat of paint on. First we get in all the little cracks. Make sure we get in all little circles, things like that. We don't want anybody to know this was a red hood, do we?
Wow.
There's the first coat, POR 15. Takes a little while to settle. It's not too hot out, but where it has settled, the finish is pretty nice. Some bubbles in the middle, but not really too worried about it. It's the inside of the hood. It's still going to be pretty shiny, as you can see. Better than red. Should be pretty nice. So we'll let this sit for now. We're going to come over here. We're going to grab this front sway bar. We're going to paint that. And I've also got some, I think these are called torsion arms. The front, I finally cleaned these up. I'm going to paint these as well. And slowly but surely, we're getting there. We are back another day. We have finally primed the hood. That was done off camera, and we're going to wet sand it, apply some of this 3M wrap. I've been recommended to get the best stuff I could possibly find, and this stuff is a 3M 1080 gloss black. Apparently it's really close to actually matching paint, so we're going to do that. I was going to spray bomb the hood, but I figured this would be probably better for this year instead of messing up a paint job. And we're going to go ahead and get the car out of here, turn it around, wet sand the hood a little bit, wash it off, and maybe get a hand from someone in the house, and we will get this going immediately. Let's go. Ooh, that vinyl wrap looks so good. Oh, wait a minute. No, it tore. What do you do? What do you do? You can't do anything. Look at that gloss. Just look at it. It was going so smooth. Would it look good with the lip? So smooth. It's coming around the side. The side was stuck down. Had a bit of a crease. Went to lift her up a little bit. And gave her a, CK wrap tug. And just tore. Busted all into little pieces. I don't get it. I don't get it. This is supposed to be good stuff. Well, now I don't know what to do. Okay, well, first attempt, didn't turn out so well. As you can see on this side, it is super glossy, really nice. Came out well. The side here was nice. A little trim to do there, but this little transition was nice. You wouldn't have even known it was there. So it's unfortunate. I decided to keep going to try and practice. This is my first hood final wrap, but I mean, it didn't seem all that difficult. It's really dried out, or maybe something. I don't know. Maybe I'll get a hold of the person I bought this from and see if they have any more. Maybe we can try this again. It is a little cool in here, but it's not too bad. I mean, I'm in a t-shirt, so it's not too cold. But I guess we're going to rip this off and try again another day. And yeah, I think that'll be it for this episode. We'll try again another day. Take care.